Gevi Espresso machine emerges as a shining star among affordable espresso makers. With its promise of bringing the cafe experience to your home, this espresso machine has garnered attention for all the right reasons. As a coffee enthusiast who appreciates both quality and budget-conscious choices, I delved into the realm of the Gevi Espresso machine to uncover its secrets and unveil its true potential. In this review, I'll share my first-hand experience and insights into why this machine deserves a place in your kitchen. With a sleek Tibetan black color and compact dimensions of 12.2 dx 10.4 wx 13.3 h, the Gevi Espresso machine strikes a balance between modern aesthetics and practicality. Its stainless steel construction exudes durability while complementing any kitchen decor. The inclusion of a milk frother steam wand sets the stage for indulgent lattes and cappuccinos that rival your favorite coffee shop creations. Casabrew's Espresso machine stands proud with its compact dimensions of 12.28 dx 5.9 wx 11.97 h, making it a fitting addition to any kitchen space. The A silver color exudes elegance, and the brushed stainless steel finish elevates its visual appeal. Its 34 Oz removable water tank ensures seamless brewing, while the inclusion of a milk frother steam wand promises a world of creamy microfoam milk and intricate milk foam artistry. The Casabrew's Espresso machine is an embodiment of affordability and excellence, offering a gateway to the world of remarkable espresso creations. Whether you're a seasoned coffee aficionado or just beginning your journey, this machine invites you to explore the realm of coffee craftsmanship. Prepare to unlock the potential of budget-friendly espresso gems and espresso excellence on a budget, all within the comfort of your home. L'Or Barista single-serve coffee and espresso machine combo stands as a gateway to a world of rich indulgence. This exceptional machine has captured the essence of cafe culture, bringing it right into your home. As a coffee enthusiast who appreciates both budget-conscious choices and the pursuit of excellence, I delved into the enchanting world of the L'Or Barista to uncover its secrets and share its enchantment. Join me on this journey as we explore the features, specifications, pros, cons, and personal insights that define this remarkable espresso machine. Dressed in sleek black, the L'Or Barista's 16DX7WX11H dimensions make a statement of elegance and practicality. This machine boasts the ability to deliver a delicate layer of velvety smooth crema on every coffee and espresso cup, an ode to the French cafe experience that leaves a lasting impression. With a high-pressure system of 19 bars, this machine promises the perfect crema, elevating every sip to a sensory masterpiece. DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso machine, unveiling affordable elegance. In the captivating realm of affordable espresso makers, the DeLonghi Stilosa Manual Espresso machine emerges as an emblem of the harmonious fusion between contemporary design and exceptional performance. Beyond being a mere machine, it orchestrates a symphony of flavors and aesthetics, meticulously crafted to transcend your coffee experience to new dimensions of delight. As a devout coffee enthusiast who craves budget-friendly treasures without compromising on the pursuit of excellence, I embarked on an enthralling journey with the DeLonghi Stilosa. Join me as we embark on a voyage to unravel the intricate tapestry of features, specifications, pros, cons, and personal insights that illuminate the essence of this exquisite espresso companion. Standing resolutely at the crossroads of modern elegance and compact utility, the DeLonghi Stilosa graces your kitchen with dimensions of 8.07 dx 13.5 wx 11.22 h. Its mere presence on your countertop injects an air of sophistication without overwhelming the space. The ensemble of black and stainless hues gracefully harmonizes with any interior, seamlessly assimilating into your existing decor. Imusa, USA GAO 18224 cup espresso, is here to make that dream a reality. In this detailed review, we'll embark on a journey to uncover the hidden gems of budget-friendly espresso makers. Prepare to discover the joys of espresso excellence on a budget as we delve into its features, specifications, pros, cons, personal opinion, customer reviews, and FAQs. Whether you're a coffee enthusiast or a curious beginner, this review is your ultimate guide to crafting your very own coffeehouse experience. The Imusa 800 watts. Black Espresso Maker is your ticket to becoming a barista in your own kitchen. With this machine, you can enjoy the pleasure of sipping on a freshly brewed espresso within minutes. Or you can channel your inner barista and create creamy cappuccinos using the built-in milk frother. This appliance brings the essence of a coffeehouse right into your home, providing you with the tools to create coffee masterpieces that rival your favorite cafe. Brewing up to 4 servings of aromatic espresso directly into the glass carafe, the Imusa GAO 18202 gives you the power to bring the coffeehouse experience to your own kitchen. Its variable steam control enables you to froth milk to perfection, allowing you to craft delightful cappuccinos, macchiatos, and lattes that'll leave your taste buds dancing. Say goodbye to long lines and overpriced drinks. Now you can create your favorite coffee concoctions with ease.